In Lesson 6 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone, the scale of A minor is presented for 1 octave. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet with explanations and important exercises which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. The raised 7th note in the scale of A minor is G sharp. This is obtained with the G sharp key operated by the left-hand 5th finger. This key is the topmost key in the left-hand 5th finger cluster of keys referred to in this lesson as the L5 keypad. On the modern saxophone you can play G sharp with any of these keys, but the other 3 are connected to the mechanism for bottom notes. Here is G sharp with the C sharp key, with the B key, and with the B flat key. Because the key operates an articulated mechanism, you can play notes in the right hand below G sharp with this key held down. This can simplify the fingering in several scales and arpeggios. The disadvantage of the articulated mechanism is that it frequently sticks closed. If this happens, you should gently prise the hole open. Here is the scale of A minor for 1 octave. And here's the arpeggio of A minor for 1 octave. You will have noticed that the practice plans are getting longer with each lesson. However, if you have worked through all the previous practice plans meticulously, it should take you very little time to drill all the items you have covered in previous lessons. If you feel you are struggling, spend an extra week or so alternating days 5 and 6 before moving on to lesson 7.